Hey everybody, just Ron here. I want to show you my new order from Gold Club Direct. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for all your support for the channel. Hey everybody, just Ron here. Going to do another unboxing. This is not from Amazon, but it's going to be a new investment idea that I'm going to start to share with everybody on the channel as well too. The economy starts to change or whatever happens in the future, I want to talk to you about new investment opportunities. Let's open up and see what we have in this unboxing. There will not be a link to Amazon on this one. There's some brown paper. And there's more brown paper. And looky here, what do we have? Get rid of that box. Oh, we got bubble wrap. Alright, so let's take the tape and tape off the bubble wrap here. We're gonna roll. And guess what we have here, guys? What do you think this is? Oh my goodness, it's silver. It's just 10 ounces of fine silver. So great investment opportunity here. As the silver prices have been dropping in the last couple of weeks, so decided to purchase some silver and just see how it goes. So we have a 10 ounce $9.99 plus silver. Also too, I actually invested something from my little one here. It's a Liberty. It's 1 ounce. And it's 0.999 silver. Liberty. United States of America is the buffalo on the back. In God we trust. This one here has a cool design on the back, which is cool. So it's just like a starter case. And it lets you know, silver 10 ounces. It's 10 ounces. It's heavy. I mean, not too heavy, but heavier than you think. The 1 ounce is like a coin. Also too, they gave me this coin here as well in my intro pack. It is a 1 ounce silver coin, American Eagle. All right, and also too, we have is the gold. We have the gold, the 1 gram bar of gold. So grams of gold, ounces of gold are like 2,000 plus, and silver's at 30 plus, around 30 something. So so I didn't want to get too much gold, but I wanted to get enough gold that if I want to trade it or something down the road, you'll have a smaller amount that's worth, this is probably worth 70, 80 bucks, whatever. You could actually trade with. So like prepper kits, if you're into that, these are good, denominations to kind of trade with. You're looking like 300 something bucks here, 30 and 30 on each coin. And the gold's probably like it's 60, 70, 80 bucks. I mean, around that round. So just showing you the order that I did. I went to Gold Club Direct and purchased these items, and I'm very happy with my first purchase from them. Gold Club Direct. I'll put a link to the website below. But yeah, definitely got a good deal, and yeah, I'm ready to kind of just start collecting even more of these. But just run out. Thanks so much for your support. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and just run out.